Everywhere you look right now, someone's making a video about cruise lines getting worse, the cutbacks, the crowds, the rising fees. And there's truth in some of it, but it's only half the story, and it's the gloomy half. Because while a few lines have slipped, others have quietly spent this year getting genuinely better for those of us cruising after 60, and almost nobody is telling you about them. So let me start with the one that keeps proving year after year that it's built for us, Holland America. This is my honest opinion, not gospel, but the evidence is hard to argue with. While others chase the young party crowd, Holland America has doubled down on exactly what we love. Its ships have become the finest live music venues at sea, real jazz, blues, and proper musicians every single night. It's refreshing its fleet rather than letting the ships tire. It's added more of the long, immersive itineraries we adore, the kind that chase the northern lights or wind through quiet corners of the world. And its all-inclusive style fare folds the drinks, Wi-Fi, and dining into one price, so there's little left to nickel and dime you. In a year when others took things away, Holland America kept giving. That's why it leads this list. And let me name the thing that truly sets it apart for us because it's easy to miss on a brochure. It's the pace and the crowd. Holland America's ships are mid-sized, not the floating cities that exhaust us, so getting around is easy and the whole experience feels human. The guests skew to our age, so you're among your own kind, people who want good conversation over a quiet dinner rather than a foam party by the pool. The enrichment is real, proper lectures, cooking demonstrations, a wonderful library, and those longer, richer itineraries mean you actually rest and settle in rather than racing port to port. It's a line that seems to genuinely understand that its guests are grown-ups who've earned a calm, gracious week, and in a year when so many lines chase the opposite, that steadiness is worth more than ever. Now let me be fair and clear before we go on. Every line still has an off day, and what suits me may not suit you. This is one experienced cruiser's honest read of who's moving in the right direction for seniors. So weigh it against your own taste, and always check the current details yourself. And I want to say something reassuring at the top because so much of the cruise talk online lately has a doom to it that I think is genuinely unfair. Yes, some lines have chased the biggest, cheapest, most crowded end of the business and lost a little of their soul doing it. But that's not the whole industry, not by a long way. What's actually happening is a quiet split. As some lines race down market toward the party crowd, others are deliberately going the opposite way, toward calm, quality, space, and care. Precisely because they've noticed that we, the experienced older cruiser, are a wonderful guest to look after. So the good news is that the very qualities we value most are being invested in right now by the lines smart enough to court us. You just have to know which ones. Here they are. Stay with me and keep a pen handy because I've got 6 lines that are getting better for us, not worse, and exactly why. Take a picture of the screen at the end and you'll have them all. And if you're new here, I'm Margaret, your cruise companion, and I make these for those of us cruising after 60 who are tired of the doom and want to know where the good cruising actually is. Let's keep going. The second line getting better for seniors is Viking, and 2026 is a banner year for them because they're launching a beautiful new ocean ship this June, adding to a fleet that's expanding fast in exactly the direction we want. Here's what makes Viking special and better than ever. It is adults only, no children anywhere on the ocean ships, so it's calm by design. And it's built to be the opposite of nickel and diming, with so much folded into the fare, the Wi-Fi, a shore excursion in every port, beer and wine with meals, the specialty restaurants, that you simply stop reaching for your wallet. In a year when other lines added new fees, Viking's whole model is that there are no surprises. For the senior who wants serenity and no arithmetic, Viking keeps raising its own bar. And notice what it means that they're launching a brand new ocean ship this very year, while others are cutting back. A line only builds new ships when it's confident and growing, and Viking is expanding precisely because it found the audience the others are neglecting, grown-up travelers who want thinking, calm, and quality over water slides. When you sail a line that's investing rather than trimming, you feel it everywhere, in the fresh cabins, the well-staffed decks, the sense of a company that still cares about the details. That's the difference between a line on the way up and one quietly managing decline, and it's worth choosing on purpose. The third line is Oceania, and this one is for those who live for good food and beautiful places. Oceania has just brought out a stunning new ship that sets a new standard for refined, unhurried cruising, and it doubled down on the two things it does best: the finest cuisine at sea and deep, immersive destination sailing. The ships are mid-sized and intimate, no crowds, no chaos, no endless queues, exactly the scale the giant lines are moving away from. If you felt cruising getting bigger and louder and more impersonal, Oceania went the other way this year: smaller, calmer, and finer. For the senior who cruises for the table in the ports, it's better than it's ever been. And I want to say a word about why the food really matters, because it's not just about being a foodie. As we get older, so many of us are watching something: the salt for our hearts, the sugar for our blood, a sensitive stomach, a dietary restriction. On a line where the kitchen genuinely cares about food, those needs are met with grace and skill, rather than a sigh and a plain chicken breast. Oceania's smaller ships and attentive crews mean the chef can actually cook to your needs and make it delicious, not just safe. And eating well, real, fresh, thoughtfully prepared meals, rather than mass-produced trays under heat lamps, is one of the genuine pleasures that keeps a cruise feeling like a treat. For the senior who wants to eat both wonderfully and wisely, a line that takes its food seriously is a gift. The fourth line may surprise you, because it's the oldest name of all, and yet it's quietly modernizing in exactly the right way: Cunard. This year, Cunard is doing something wonderful, blending its grand tradition with a fresh focus on wellness, including its first dedicated wellness voyage aboard its newest ship, alongside all the timeless things we love: the ballroom dancing, the afternoon tea, the enrichment lectures, the gentlemen hosts for those traveling alone. It's also marking America's big 250th anniversary with special sailings this year. So you get the elegance of a bygone age and a new attention to feeling well while you travel. For the senior who wants grace and refinement without being stuck in the past, Cunard in 2026 is a lovely surprise. And that new attention to wellness is worth pausing on, because it signals something the whole better half of the industry is waking up to. The lines that are thriving have realized that their most loyal, most valuable guests are older, and that looking after our well-being, gentler fitness, better sleep, thoughtful food, calmer spaces, unhurried days, is exactly what keeps us coming back. When a grand old name like Cunard starts building a voyage around feeling well, you know the tide has turned in our favor. The smart lines are competing to care for us now, and that is very good news indeed for anyone cruising after 60. The fifth line is Celebrity, which keeps getting more polished, just as others get more crowded. Celebrity has added a gorgeous new ship to its modern fleet, and it continues to strike the balance so many active seniors want: sleek and stylish and beautifully run, with genuinely excellent food, without ever tipping into a rowdy party ship. Its included style fares fold the essentials into the price, and its quieter retreat areas give you a calm haven when you want one. Where some lines feel like they're cutting corners, Celebrity feels like it's still polishing them. For the senior who wants energy and elegance together, done well, it's a line on the way up, not down. And Celebrity fills an important spot on this list, because not everyone leaving the crowded mass market lines wants to go all the way to a quiet, adults only, or a formal traditional ship. Some of us still want a bit of buzz, a stylish bar, a lively evening, modern design, just without the chaos, the rowdiness, and the constant selling. That's exactly the gap Celebrity fills. It's the line for the active senior who feels young at heart, who wants to dance and dine well and enjoy a beautiful contemporary ship, but who's simply outgrown the party boat crowd. In a year when the big mass market lines got louder and more crowded, Celebrity held on to its polish and its calm. And that makes it one of the smartest moves for the senior who isn't ready to slow all the way down. And the sixth, for those with a little more to spend who want the very finest, is Silversea. Now, I'll be honest with you, this is the splurge on the list, a luxury line, and not for every budget. But it earns its place because for the senior who can manage it, it does something remarkable. It is all-inclusive in the truest sense, often right down to your flights and transfers. So from your front door to the ship and home again, it's all handled, and you never see a bill aboard. The ships are small and serene, the service extraordinary, and it's been expanding with beautiful new vessels. If you're ready to treat yourself for a special anniversary or a milestone birthday, this is a line that has only gotten better, and it wraps you in a level of care that's a joy after 60. A splurge, yes, but an honest, wonderful one. And I'll give you a gentle way to think about whether it's worth it, because a big number frightens people off before they've done the sums. When you compare an all-inclusive luxury fare against a cheaper line where you then pay separately for the flights, the transfers, the drinks, the Wi-Fi, the specialty dining, the gratuities, and the excursions, the gap narrows far more than the headline suggests. You're not always paying wildly more. You're paying it all at once, up front, and then never thinking about money again for the whole trip. For a milestone, an anniversary, a once-in-a-lifetime voyage, that all-in serenity can be worth every penny. Just go in knowing the true comparison, not the scary sticker, and decide with clear eyes. So let me hand you the list. Clean. And this is your moment to take a picture of the screen. 6 lines getting better for seniors in 2026. Holland America, for the finest music and the classic calm, still giving when others take. Viking, adults only and all included, launching beautifully this year. Oceania, for the finest food and intimate refined sailing. Cunard, blending timeless elegance with a fresh focus on wellness. Celebrity, polished and elegant and on the rise. And Silversea, the all-inclusive luxury splurge that wraps you in care. 6 reasons to feel hopeful about cruising, not gloomy, if you know where to look. And here's a bonus bit of good news that spans the whole industry, not just one line, and it matters enormously for us. Accessibility has quietly gotten much better. The newest ships are being designed from the drawing board with our needs in mind. Wider doorways for a walker or wheelchair, roll-in showers with proper grab bars and fold-down seats, more accessible cabins, and thoughtful layouts. Even many older ships have been refitted to open them up. This is the unsung improvement of recent years, and no glossy advertisement trumpets it, but for anyone cruising with any mobility concern, it means the sea is more open to us now than it has ever been. So whichever of these lines calls to you, know that the ships themselves are becoming kinder to older bodies, year on year. That's real progress, and it's worth celebrating. You know, so many of you have asked me not just which lines to avoid, but where you should actually be sailing now. And I put my honest, senior-by-senior guide to all of it into one place. The Insider's Playbook, along with the full planner, makes up the Senior Cruise Companion Collection. It's the written version of everything we just talked through. The link is down in the description, and there's a code on your screen for those of you watching on the television. It's there if it would help, and only if you want it. But here's the heart of it. Don't let all the doom and gloom convince you that the golden age of cruising is behind us. It isn't, not for us, not if you know where to look. While the crowd chases the biggest, cheapest, busiest ships and then complains about them, the wise senior quietly sails the lines that are still pouring their heart into calm, quality, and care. The good cruising didn't disappear this year. It just moved. And now you know exactly where it went. And let me leave you with a gentle reframe of all that doom you've been hearing. When people say cruising is getting worse, what's really true is that the biggest, cheapest, most crowded corner of it is getting worse. because those lines are chasing volume and cutting to protect their prices. But that was never the corner made for us anyway. Meanwhile, the calmer, more gracious end of cruising, the very end we belong to, is being fought over and invested in by lines that have realized how wonderful an older guest is to look after. So the story isn't that our golden age is ending, it's that the industry is splitting in two, and the better half is quietly getting better, precisely for people like us. Don't let the loudest, gloomiest voices talk you out of a joy you've earned. Point yourself toward the lines that are still pouring their heart into calm and quality and care, and the best cruises of your life may well be the ones still ahead of you. I'm Margaret, your cruise companion. Sail where you're valued, and I'll see you on the next one.